Need to draw attention to something important in your PDF? With PDF Editor Studio, you can add and customize shapes directly inside your browser. Open your PDF, then select Shapes from the Tools panel. Choose the shape you need, then drag it onto your document. In this example, we're adding call-out shapes to highlight important invoice details. You can change the fill color, border color, line thickness, and opacity to match your document. Once placed, simply drag, resize, or rotate your shape until it sits exactly where you want it. It's perfect for marking key details, reviewing documents, or making your PDFs easier to understand. When you're finished, click Export to download your updated PDF. Add shapes to your PDFs quickly and easily with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.